First offer. 55 credits.
Nah, that's an automatic try again.
Second offer. 25 credits. Time 2. 50 credits. Time 2. 100 credits.
I am going to try again. I know they're going to tell me to try again. If they tell me to take it, I'm trying again. Yep.
Third offer. 75 credits.
So I definitely got to try again.
Final offer.
All right, let's see.
95 credits.
I'll take that.
Times 2. 190 credits.
I will definitely take
Roy,
that.
you're a winner.
Yeah.